Today, we're going to talk about how to pose curvy women for beauty portraits. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sal Sincata. I am a wedding and portrait photographer, and today we are going to pose Ellie, who's my one of my graphic designers. Ellie is curvy, so we're gonna make her look her best on camera, and in the process, teach you guys some of the tips and tricks I use for posing curvy women. So we don't run from posing women. We don't make them peek from behind a tree and pretend they're not curvy. We've got to embrace it, but we've got to do it in a way that is flattering and allows them to feel confident, but us also to create some amazing images. So let's get to it. So the first tip is to use shadows. That's the most important part. So when you're going for a full body portrait or even kind of a halfway up portrait, mid portrait, you've got to work with light and shadow. You've got to understand that. So first thing is to understand in this room is I've got nothing but big window light coming in from my left. When I say big window light, it's just one window, very tall, and I'll show you, we'll cut away to that. But it's not like a bank of windows. So you're seeing it's somewhat directional. I've got light on one side of my face, shadow on the other. That is perfect, that's our friend. So the first thing we're gonna do is make sure that her lower body is turned away, her upper body turned away, but her face and beauty looking towards the light. Why? Your eye will always go to the brightest part of an image. So if I'm turning this way, and you'll see this with Ellie, I'm literally lighting the entire part of her body that we're trying to turn into shadow. So by turning her this way and making her bend back, now I'm accentuating parts of her body that we want, right? So you are in control in what you're showing off. That's up to you as the photographer and the artist, and she's looking out there. So let's see it in action. All right, so Ellie, you're gonna be looking at me. I want you to turn your feet at a 45-degree angle, that way, perfect. I want you to get up on that left toe. Yeah, and see how we're bringing that knee up? Put your knee flat again for me. That is not very flattering. Pop your hip into camera, the other way. Nope. Yep, now when she's looking here, we're illuminating every part of her body. We're not hiding anything. So now let's turn you this way. I want you to slide this hip this way. Nope, yes, exactly. Something else we don't want, we're gonna make her gain weight on camera. So now slide the hip away from the camera and away from the light. That looks much better. So now let's take that, this hand, let's pretend we're in a mirror, put that in your pocket, love that. And pretend like you've got an egg under the part of your hand there, very nice. Let's take your left hand, let's put it there as well. Perfect. Exaggerate that hip popping to the rear. Yep, there you go. Get up on that left toe. Love that, good. Now I want your shoulders to roll back. Yep, and let them twist this way. Baby movements, okay? And now I want your chin out, turtle for me, chin down. So something else to consider is what I call turtling. Everybody calls it something a little bit different, but everybody bends here, and it's gonna end up, let me show you from here, creating a double chin. Think my double chin's funny? Creates a double chin. So you want them to push from here. Everybody's got a different way of getting to it, but it thins out your neck, right? So now focus on Ellie, okay? Body's perfect. I want your face here. Yep, turtle. Yep, chin down. And you gotta be careful, don't let the shoulders, a lot of people you'll tell turtle and they start coming at you. That's what more of a giraffe. We're not looking for giraffes in this one, just turtle. So keep the shoulders back and just push from there. Yep, and chin down. And so now what we've done is added natural curves to her body. We don't have to go into Photoshop and fix all this stuff. We want her curves, right? And now I'm gonna have her look towards that light. Keep your shoulders this way, twist that way, yep. And face is gonna go that way, yep. And that's the shot we're gonna take. So let's take that shot. Chin out and down this way, down, right there, right there, right there. Beautiful, stay there. You look awesome, Ellie. Good. Find that spot. Beautiful. 1, 2. Now keep your face there. Just give me your eyes. Good. Chin to me, just an inch. Right there. Love that. And I'm watching the shadows on her because I don't want to give her, I really don't want Rembrandt light here, and I don't want too hard of a shadow cast by her nose. So I'm really paying attention to that. Okay, let me see you looking back out there. Turn your lower body a little bit this way. Lower body's perfect. Keep that lower body there. Let your upper body, chest start turning towards me, but keep that lower body there. Yes. Good. Chin out and down now. Down, down, down. Beautiful, L. Stay there, whatever you're looking at. Here we go. 1, 2. Love that. Give me your eyes. Beautiful. Chin to me a little bit more. More, more, more. Yep. Here we go. 1, 2. Looking down at the ground. Yep. A little bit more left with your face. Chin down. Looking down at the ground. Big giggle for me. There's good shit going on down there. Yes. Good job, El. Good. Now I want with this right hand, I just want you gently pulling that back. Right there. That is stunning, Ellie. Let me see your eyes. Right here. Turtle for me. Chin down. Right there. Beautiful expression, El. Right there, right there, right there. Big giggle. Give it to me again. Love that. Looking down at the ground. Big giggle. Good shit down there. Good job. Right there. Chin follow me. Keep your body there. Chin follow me. More, more, more. Right there, right there. That's where I need you. Stay there. Don't move. So last thing is sitting. I see a lot of photographers struggle when they make curvy women sit. Behind me, Ellie is sitting. If I just leave her to her own devices, you're gonna see she's just sitting. She looks hunched over. She looks uncomfortable. Both butt cheeks are on the ground or on the couch, and that's never a good thing. So I apologize for all the noise. We are in Milan right now, and all they do is party 24 hours a day. I think they were quiet at like 9 a.m. That could be it. But then the trash was being picked up, so it wasn't even quiet then. Anyway, she is sitting. She's uncomfortable. Everything looks heavy. So once again, we want to accentuate those curves. So watch me work with her through this. I do this with my bride and grooms. I do this with high school seniors. In fact, if you start paying attention and watch the news or watch any of the morning shows, you'll notice that anybody who's sitting on a couch, females, will sit the way I'm showing you they sit. So let's get to it. All right, so Ellie, the first thing I want you to do is get on your hip. I don't want you sitting with both butt cheeks down. I want you to take your right leg, go over your left leg, and now she's on that hip. So that's step number one, is to get her body off sitting flat and hunched up. Okay, next thing I want you to do is you're gonna get big in the shoulders and lean forward towards me. And now I want you to put a little bit of pressure on that left hand. Right hand should barely be touching. Let that right shoulder fall back. Yep, good. Now I want you to have the sensation with this right leg lifting up on the toe, and that's gonna elongate that leg just a little bit and lean into me again. Lean forward at the waist, okay? Here we go. This hand, let's see it on your thigh here. Again, egg here, okay? I like this, Al. Looks beautiful. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm trying to make sure we get all the details as right as can be before we start shooting. I don't want to shoot and then Photoshop it. Chin down just a little, El. So I'm here at a lower angle. Absolutely stunning, Ellie. Stay there with it. Slowly looking off to your right. Chin up. More right. Right, 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 right. Face is perfect. Bring your eyes back. Right there is where I want you. Beautiful. Stay there. Give me your eyes at camera. Beautiful. A little more. There you go, Al. Stunning. Looking away again. Chin up. Love it. Okay. Take some vertical here. To me, this is a horizontal shot because of the couch. Now I'll get in a little bit closer. Get that vertical. Chin this way just a dinch. Right there, El. Beautiful. Lean into me at your waist. Yep. And chin down. Right there, El. Stunning. Hold that. Eyes at camera. Love that. Now with this hand, let me see it at the bangs. Pull it back just a little bit. Yeah, stunning, El. Chin this way. Gorgeous. Don't get lazy on that foot and pull that in just a little bit into you. There you go. Good job, El. There you go, there you go. Little giggle for me. There you go. Beautiful, Allie. Looking away, little giggle. Pull that hand back just a little bit more. Yep, there you go. Stay there. Okay, stay where you're looking. Love that, Al. Give me eyes at camera. Beautiful, a little small smile. Love that, Ellie. Gorgeous, good job. All right, so that is a wrap. Ellie, how do you feel like you did?
I don't know, we'll see the pictures.
What? Beauty is pain.
That's very true.
Was it painful?
Yes. If it's not hurting, you're not doing it right.
There you go. Words of wisdom right there. So hopefully guys, this helps you out. If you enjoyed this video, want to see more like it, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know which one of Ellie's pictures was your favorite. Do you think, which one do you like? You saw some back at camera.
I think this is going to be my favorite, the sitting down.
Sitting down one?
Yeah.
Hey, I like hearing that. So that means I did my job. We'll see you in the next video.